How to use Walgreens My Walgreens Reward. To use the My Walgreens Rewards, first of all, you have to earn Walgreens cards on eligible items. So to earn the reward itself, you can use the store-wide rate. Simply earn 1% back in Walgreens Cash reward on must-eligible items, and also earn 5% back on Walgreens-branded products. You simply have to enter your phone number or scan your application barcode at the register for every purchase. To redeem the reward, you can use rewards only in fixed amounts, such as $1, $2, 3, 4, 5, 10, and 20 or 50. And there is also daily limit. You can redeem up to $100 of Walgreens cash per day. You simply have to tell the cashier you want to use your Walgreens Cash or select it on the Walgreens application or website during the checkout. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.